Okay, here we are in another engagement letter where we want to personalize it. We want to put a specific price that only applies to a client, and we want to be able to do this at scale for our clients. So we now have a way to do that. So we can turn this little item into a variable. Before that, we need to add some custom columns. So we're going to go into our parties table. And we're going to add a column for fees. So that's right here. Highlight this, custom columns. Let's go with standard fee. And just like that, we now have a new column right here. So we're going to go for a few clients in here. We're going to add some information about it. So the standard fee for this client, let's go with $2,500. Let's go the standard fee for this client is $4,000, and standard fee for this client is $7,500. Okay. All right, so we've added those. So let's go open that template back up. Here it is. And scroll back down to what we were working on. Let's find the fees section. Here we go, engagement fees. So right here is a retainer payment. We can show you that in a second. The big one is this. So we want this to populate with something specific to each client. So we click this variable types. There's quite a few options up here. So we highlight this. We click variable type, select client. All right, and so now it's a client variable. So we can click it. It pulls up our client table. Like we said, we wanted to make this connected. So we can just go ahead and click right here. And now it puts standard fee down in here. So when we go ahead and select right here, it should automatically populate with that 4,000. We also need to go ahead and unselect this party name. So now it goes with the client's fee. So if we were to select this client as well and make two engagement letters at the same time, one of the engagement letter would have the 4,000 amount, the other one would have the 2,500. So we also have a retainer option here. This is connected to our payment variables. We'll just go ahead and select that for example purposes. And we should be good to go. So now if I click create contracts, we're going to make two. We're going to make one for this client and another one for this one. So let's go ahead and do that. Create and send. So we'll go look at our contracts page. We should see the two new agreements, which we do. And let's open one of them. This is the first. And there it is right there, 4,000. Okay, so let's go open the other one. And this one's 2,500. So you can do that at scale. You can also do it when you upload your party table, and you can have all of those fields filled out. So you can just automatically populate all kinds of things throughout your engagement letter. You can also see in this engagement letter that we have client address as an example. So this is coming from here. This is also a custom column that automatically gets populated. So altogether, this allows for you to mass produce engagement letters, which is very important, but you can also personalize them to specific clients easily without having to manually do a whole lot of work. So we hope you like it, and we hope you manage to use it as well.